Hello, this is Alex, and today we're doing a crash test with those two Dbot X1s that I brought today. And you can hear the music there, so this is the one. We're going to have two goals. And the Dbot X1 Plus and the Dbot X1 Harmony. So I don't need reviews because there's two of them. Okay, let's start. I'll start with the X1 Plus. Okay, Eco. I'm here. Start cleaning. Okay, start cleaning. Sorry, Logo. Right. Now, finally, the X1 Omni's turn. Okay, Eco. I'm here. Start cleaning. Okay, start cleaning. Okay, so I think that is it today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.